We're back at our client's 3-bed semi-detached house where they're looking to reduce noise from their neighbours next door in their open plan kitchen extension. We've completed the soundproofing installation and we're keen to test the result. Using our trademark 4-step soundproofing method for a noise-free home, we have addressed the main cause, the direct noise path, the indirect noise path and the fixtures and fittings. So now we're ready to do the after test. So if you've ever wanted to know what difference soundproofing your home can make, keep watching. Here's just a little recap on what we've installed for our clients. On this wall we've installed TPS 50W. Along the RSJ we've put TPS 30. On this alcove section here there is the TPS 80 system. And on this chimney stack we've got the TPS 65, and on this flanking wall perpendicular we have a TPS 50 installed. We've insulated the floor void, we've insulated the entire bedroom ceilings, and we've put acoustic downlighter covers on all of the downlighters. We're going to carry out the exact same tests as we did before soundproofing. This included music track for 10 seconds, conversation through the party wall, and that all-important UCAS accredited sound test to get that sound insulation value of the party wall. Let's start with the UCAS accredited sound test result. The acoustic engineers have just completed the UCAS accredited sound test, and this shows that the sound insulation value for this party wall is now 62 dB DNTW plus CTR. Now before the soundproofing it was 47 dB, and now after soundproofing it's 62 dB. That's a massive 15 dB better than what it was like before. Bearing in mind, 45 dB is the government required standard, and 47 dB the clients were hearing everything from their neighbours. This 62 dB is a great result, and it shows that installing soundproofing using our trademark 4-step soundproofing method can significantly reduce the noise, allowing you to stay in the home you love. Now let's do some real life situation noise tests to see what we can hear through the party wall. Okay, so the guys have gone next door to carry out the same test that they did before soundproofing. They're going to play the exact same music track at the exact same volume that they did before any soundproofing treatment. We're ready, play some music, let's see what we can hear.
You hear the music?
No, I was wondering whether you received me on the walkie-talkie. Can you see if we can talk through the party wall? Okay, so can you hear me? Can you hear me talking through the party wall?
You hear us talking then, next to the wall?
No, did you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
From your side.
Okay. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me talking through the party wall? We seem to have got a really good result here, and we're going to struggle to show you guys watching at home how good that result is. So we've got probably another hour or less than that access of the neighbour's property next door. So let's try and figure out a way to show you guys how good that result is. Are you playing the music now, yeah?
Playing the music now, pretty loud, pretty pumping in the kitchen.
Oh my word, that's quite good, isn't it? Right, do you want to try and shout through the party wall?
Are you ready? I'm going to shout through the party wall and see whether you can hear me. Here I go.
Okay.
Yeah, I shouted and then she has shouted as well. So I will get her to shout again and then I will shout again. So are you ready?
Okay, we're ready. Go for it.
Okay, wait. Okay, here we go.
Okay, that's quite amazing, isn't it? Sorry, just double check. You've got the TV on level 60. That's like full for the volume, yeah?
The telly is on level 60. There's adverts on at the moment. Listen.
Okay, good. Okay, can the TV go any louder than that? Because we can't hear anything.
Turn it up. The TV's now on 80 on an advert with music and voice.
Okay, we can't hear anything from that. Now the great thing is in the 2 months since the soundproofing installation, the clients claim that they haven't heard their neighbours. They haven't heard the dogs barking, they haven't heard doors banging, conversation, music, nothing. They have heard it in other parts of their house, which haven't had soundproofing treatment to, but so far in this kitchen extension, they've not heard anything. So if you follow our trademark 4-step method for a noise-free home, you'll find that soundproofing your home is amazing.